Hi everybody, today we have this platform called Landingi, and this is the best no-code landing page designing platform. Before we begin, you can consider heading over to the link in the description, using which you will be able to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform Landingi. So now you know how important landing pages are, and for exact that purpose we have amazing templates to just skyrocket our landing pages. It offers more than 400 customizable landing pages designs, and you can check them out. You can see how amazing they look, and they are going to be perfectly fitting for your next landing page that you want to design. So if I simply show you some of these, let's just go back. You can see could be related to your e-commerce platform, any type of delivery business, or whatsoever you are trying to run. It is going to be providing you the perfect solution for you. So now, since you are using a template, you will be getting a head start. You can also see the products. We have the building page, of course. To design our pages, we can explore its page builder tool, and that is really amazing. And after that, we have solutions like, for example, lead generation, so on and so forth. So now, talking about some of its other reviews, like for example, if you talk about its pricing, it offers light, professional, and unlimited. The first one comes with 24, second 57, and 824 different type of themes. Of course, they are going to be offering different type of features, like for example 10 digital assets, and the assets keep on increasing in as you increase your plans. So now, talking about its reviews, Landingi, it is one of the best rated platform out there. Let me just show you simplicity and functionality for everyone. And you can also see I've been working with Landingi since their founding, and much more good value for money. So you can check out using the link in the description below and get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.